Bitcoin is retesting right now the daily support line, and it's in a perfect alignment with the Fibonacci, which is exactly at the 68 area. And before we will speak about if we break this through or not, I want to show you the big picture. And on the big picture, you see the big dumps which we saw, which was here in 2020. They looked like this, for example, or they looked like this. But on the big picture, this wasn't even a big dump, because people are saying, oh, this was right now the big dump. But the big dump is if we see a drop of 60% or at least 50%. This was a drop not even of 20%. This was only 15% drop, and we speak always about the 50k area as the biggest support area. And again, if we take out the Fibonacci and a different way like this, then we see exactly that 50k, this is the major area, this is the Fibonacci 1.618, where we will heading to. And what should happen in order that we go to this level, I don't know. But also we see here on the big picture the 50k area. The 50k area is the big support and resistance area. You see it here on the big picture also. You see here a lot of resistance is coming here. Here it was a support area, here it was also a support area, here it was a massive support area. So this is the big support area at 48 till 50k, which we will go inevitably, in my opinion, retest before we will see a massive pump to the upside. And will we see it before the halving or after the halving? It's only 4 days left, I don't know. But we still have at 68k a massive liquidity, as you see it here the yellow lines. Here have massive liquidity. We have even more liquidity here at 74k. And now we are coming back to this to the question, will we break this line or not to the upside? And I cannot tell you exactly if we will, but in case we are closing a daily candle clearly above 68k, then I can imagine, because this is the daily support line, the daily resistance line, I mean, then we can expect that we will go to the 72k area, which was previous also historically a massive support and resistance line. As you see it here, it was here a support line, and here it's a massive resistance line, right? So I can imagine, in case we're closing here above, then we could see a pump to 72k or even to the 75k area still, because again, we have a lot of liquidity there, and market maker tends to liquidate the long positions. But the biggest liquidity is still at this 50k area, 48k area. As you see it here, there are billions and billions here to grab for the market makers. And again, it's in a perfect alignment with our support lines, historical support lines, with our Fibonacci, which I showed you just minutes away, which is also exactly at 50k. So I'm expecting that we will see a drop to this 50k areas. It depends if you're a short-term or long-term trader. If you are a short-term trader, obviously you could possibly very risky, but I mean, it depends on you. If you're a professional, you can make here maybe some 2%, or even if we break above here to 71k, 7%, but it's very risky for short-term trade. For long-term traders, they possibly go into a short position to our price target of 50k, which is a possible of 23% profits, but you have to make sure that your stop loss above 71 or even 75, just to be sure. If you want, you can claim up to $30,000. Link is down below on Bybit. Brothers, thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.